Hello, my name is Daniel and welcome to another car project on this channel. Before we start, subscribe and like this video. In this way I will know you want to see more videos like this. This video is about an amazing BMW E30 coupe 320i Jetronic 85 tuning project restoration. Owner make a great job, transform this old BMW in a beauty. Restore entire car, put new OEM parts, change a lot of interior parts, change a lot of engine parts, change rims, change body kit. It's an amazing project. You will see all the change through the video. Please tell me in comment section below what do you think about this car. Remember, all these videos on this channel are made only in collaboration with the car owner and only with his approval. So if you have a project with your car and you want to show that project here on this channel, you will find in the description all you need to contact me. Leave your answer in the comment section below. What change will you make to this car to make it look better? What do you think he is missing? Do you think it will look better with another change? What change? If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn notification on to see more videos like this. I'll be happy to know if these videos inspire you for your car project. Bye bye and see you next time.